In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change your language on your Discord account. So it's simple and easy. So after launching your app like this, move to your profile. Good. So on your profile, you need to move to settings. So beside the Nitro, we tap on the setting there. Good. So now all we need to do is scroll down. Good. You can see language here. So currently it's on English. So I tap on that for it to open. Now you can choose anything here. Anything from any of these languages. So let me choose French. Now let me come back, and I think I need to reload the app, close it and then reload it, and it's going to appear. Everything is going to be changed to French. That's it. So I don't understand French, so I'm not going to do that, else I'm going to find it difficult to even locate the English anymore. So let me change it to English, and you see it has changed. So to know whether it has changed, look at something. So in France or in French, they call it anglais or something like that. Anglais, yeah. And they call Germany Allemand. I think I remember something like that. So yeah, let me switch it to my English, and you can see German, blah 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 blah. So yeah, I don't want to change it, else I cannot even access the app again and do tutorials. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.